Hi there, welcome to Always Forever Creations. My name is Stephanie, and in today's video, I am making a birthday card for my stepdad. I'm gonna go through the design real quick and then I will get started. So, I've been trying to use up my embellishments. So I found this one. It's a little train. He likes trains, so I thought it was fitting. And I wanted to find some sort of background on the Cricut software, and I found this one, and I will leave all the names of all the images and fonts that I use down in the description box in case you're interested. So I cut this one out. When I did, I thought that when I was gonna peel it up, like all of these pieces here were going to be attached, and they are not. So I left them on the Cricut mat until I was ready to make the card. I also thought that maybe I can use this to make the card, make another card. I don't know what I would do with it, but I have that option if I want it. So when I saw this, I thought all these little cutouts would be cute if I made a background that kind of looked like this, use a bunch of different patterned scrapbook paper and cut strips of them and laid them out so the colors would kind of match behind. And I did that off screen because I wasn't sure how it was gonna look. I'm still not sure about how it's gonna look, but I'm just gonna go for it. I also thought maybe I can make two of them and put this over the top, but I wasn't sure. I don't think I like that. I don't know, I was playing around, but I did this off camera and I'm not going to make another one of these because it's very fussy and it's just a bunch of these strips. These are cut in 1/4 inch strips, and this is a 5 3/4 inch card or square. The card is going to be a 6 inch square card. Okay, so I figured gluing this on here was gonna be fussy enough so you didn't need to watch the making of this. Okay, I'm not sure where I want to start with this yet. I've been trying to plan out my cards so I knew exactly how they were going to go together, and that is not normally how I make cards. I kind of like sit down and go, okay, I'm going to make a card and then see what it becomes, but it's hard to do that on camera, and I don't like editing my videos. So I've been trying to plan out every piece of the cards. It's been quite difficult. My brain doesn't work that way. Okay, so I'm gonna glue these down. There's just a lot of pieces. Okay. I'm going to use, oh gosh, I'm going to use this tacky glue. So it has been a busy week, but it's been an exciting one for my YouTube channel because I have 3 new subscribers, or I have 3 subscribers, period, which is exciting. Every little bit helps. I know who 2 of the subscribers are. I can't see a list, or I don't know where it is, but I know who 2 of them are because they told me they subscribed. So thank you. Okay, I don't want to glue on my Cricut mat, and I don't want to glue on all this. I will talk more about these pieces once I get all this down. So how is everyone? It's been a busy week for me. It's kind of been a difficult week. I couldn't really focus on one task at a time, so I feel like I got nothing done. And we had to go up north to see my son's new school and meet some of his teachers in the middle of the week. We went on a Wednesday, so I feel like that going up north on a Wednesday, it's about an hour and a half drive. I feel like it just threw off my week a little bit. Down here, it'll be hard to kind of see the background effect because it's all just kind of brown, but I'm hoping once we get up into the color, it will make a little bit of difference. Okay, I'm gonna glue this one down now. I don't know why I thought this was all gonna be one piece that I could just pick up and put down. That would have been way too easy. I think this piece I put too high. Let's see. Yeah. Re-glue it. No, I need to put it lower. And take this piece off. Okay. You'd think I would learn to kind of test. That's okay. I can put this one up higher. Okay. Okay, so this one, let's place everything and then we'll glue it down. That one goes there. This one goes here. Okay, I think that looks good. I'm gonna glue this top piece down. Okay. Okay. So today is Friday. And this weekend we're going to the Highland Games. I've never been. Pretty excited. My husband is extremely excited. I gave him a kilt for our anniversary, so he wants to get all the accessories now, socks and a belt, and oh, I can never remember what it's called, but the little satchel that goes in front. So he's hoping to find all that there. Should be fun. All right, I'm gonna glue the rest of this down and we'll be back to start building the rest of the card. Okay, I glued everything on, I think. And I had forgotten about this space, fell off. And just trimmed up the edges a little bit. I kind of like it. I really like this area. This is kind of what I was picturing. I'm not sure if the trees were as successful, but I do like it. I'm not sure how I would do it differently, so. Okay, let's continue. Here is the happy birthday sentiment. I'm gonna pop that up, and we need to put this down, and then need to make the card base. So what should I do first? I'll put these on first. Okay. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Oh, do I wanna? No, I don't wanna pop this up. I don't know what I wanna do. I'm making things up as I go. So Dana is my stepdad. He works for a Major League Baseball team. So we actually never get to see him on his birthday because spring training is a very busy time. And he's been in my life since I was 4 years old. So I think I'm just going to, since we won't get to see him, I think I'm just gonna go drop this at his door. I'll put a Starbucks gift card in it so he can go get his daily coffee. He goes to Starbucks in the morning and he'll order a hot coffee and an iced coffee, and he'll drink the hot one right away and then save the iced coffee for, you know, his 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock coffee. It's kind of funny. I think I want to pop, okay, I think I want to pop this one up. I don't have a microphone, so if I turn away from my phone, you really can't hear me, and I'm trying to be conscious of that. That's cute. I like it. So then inside, it is going to say, full steam ahead on your birthday. This is the inside. Let's make the card base. Okay, when folding paper, should always score it first. And here is why. So it will push the fibers of the paper in and train it for you. And when you fold it, you're not gonna get any cracking or rippling here on the edge. You'll have a nice clean fold, and you don't need a scoreboard or a cutting. I really do recommend this cutting paper trimmer. It has the trimmer and the scorer on it, so it kind of saves space in your craft room, because tools like this take up a lot of room. So not having to have the full scoring board plus a paper trimmer saves a lot of space. Okay, before we get rid of this, I'm going to, okay, so inside, I'm gonna have this here, but I wanna make like a little envelope for a gift card to sit in. And I'm thinking, I've got a gift card here, so I can kind of see. I'm hoping the circle will be big enough. This might come out a little wonky, but that's okay. There we go. Let's see. Try to get that line straight. Actually come in a little bit. Okay, and then turn it again. Let's see, try to get this line straight as well. And last one. We can cut these away. And then, let's see, hold this up. I forgot to cut these on an angle. That's gonna make it sit better. See how that sits better now? Just removes the bulk from the corner. I'm shaking. This side was sitting okay. And just, now I'm worried this might fall out, because what I want to do is put the flap underneath this piece here. Then when that flips, be able to pull the card out is my hope. I think that will work. Okay. Just gonna put a little glue . Wait for that to dry. I think I am gonna trim here. Maybe if I can get to it now. Okay, I think I'm going to adhere this down with adhesive, double-sided adhesive. Of course, it's going to be some sort of adhesive. Double-sided adhesive tape. It was sitting right here next to me, and now I don't know where it went. One second. Yep, still sitting next to me. Okay. All right, I'm gonna tape this down first. This tape is probably too thick to be using for this, but I don't feel like going to dig out a thinner one. All my nails are like breaking off. It's hard to work with. The foam in this tape. Trying to peel that guard off. I wanted to ink. Do I want to ink? Yeah, it's kind of vintage train feel. I will do some inking. Trying not to yawn. I'm only a little bit tired. I was hoping to film 2 videos because I have my stepdad's birthday and then my dad's birthday is right after my stepdad's. And my dad's card has to travel across the country to Illinois, and I'm in Arizona. So I'd like to get that out soon so it gets to him on time. And I kind of have his planned. I don't think his is going to be as complicated as this one. Well, this one isn't complicated. It's very simple. Just a lot of little pieces. And this card base is 6x6. I think I mentioned that. I'll put everything in the description box down below as well. Now, oh, easy, easy, easy. Okay, somewhat. Cute. Okay, just gonna give that a good crease so it sits nice. I'm gonna get him a Starbucks gift card. This is my Barnes & Noble gift card. It has $4.16 on it. Actually, I need to go buy a book for a gift, so I will be using that. I found a bunch of gift cards in my wallet because I went and got a new wallet. I mean, that was a year ago. Over a year ago now. And I forgot I had these gift cards. I had one to Barnes & Noble and Dairy Queen, and I had another one too. And I totally forgot I had them. And then I had to go see if there was actually money on them. And then I lost them in my new wallet too. So every time I've gone to Barnes & Noble several times and bought things, but I always forget I have this gift card. So I need to remember. I need to cut a piece for here. I locked my dogs inside so they wouldn't be so disruptive, like they were in my last video where I made Amma birthday card. They were very loud. Okay. I kind of want maybe something here. Washi tape? Or one of these? That could work. Let me see. I'm gonna try something. Crafting on a fly. Just want this a little bit thinner. How much thinner? I'm not sure. If you have a piece like this that you can't quite hold in place, sink your blade in, and that will keep it in place a little bit better. I will be right back. I'm gonna go find my hole punch. Okay, I'm back. How long is that? I'm thinking I need to make this a little bit shorter, but maybe I can make some tickets. I'm just eyeballing this. Should I keep going? Kind of like it. I'll just make that one a long line here. Okay. It's cute. Can you see that? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna put anything on them because this is pretty wordy. But thinking maybe just a little bit more definition. Yeah, I think I'll keep going. I wish I had little images, like little vintage stickers. That would be cute to put in the center of those. But they look like tickets. I don't think it needs to say ticket or anything. Yeah, so I'm gonna glue these down. I'll just use this right here. I wish I had more of this paper so I can make more for the other side. That's okay. Maybe I can do some washi tape on the other side. I could put little Harry Potter characters in them. They rode a train. I don't think my dad cares for Harry Potter though. I have these two. I think I'll do this one. This one kind of looks like a map, very vintage mappy. All right, is the inside done? Potentially. Okay, now I need to decide if I want to just glue this straight down or if I want to pop it up. I think I'm gonna glue it straight down. There's a lot of, not a lot of dimension, but I feel like there's a lot going on. It just needs to be glued straight down. And I think I'm going to, I am gonna stick with the double-sided adhesive. Glue is more forgiving than double-sided adhesive because once you stick this down, you can't really get it to come back up. Okay, I think it's done. I have to remember to take pictures of it this time. I forgot to take pictures of the last card I made. I think it looks really cute. I like it. I hope I'll like it too. Maybe, should I put a little coffee cup in the cart here? Since getting him a Starbucks gift card. Maybe, yeah, let's do that. I got some white scrap around here. Okay. Use a little bit of that. This is copy paper. Is that gonna be too thin? I think that will work. Okay. Can we just freehand a cup? Okay, let's try this again. I think it does need to be a little bit smaller. That might be too small. Okay, come on. Should probably use something other than this craft paper because it's blending in too much with the card. But that's just kind of what I had next to me. Okay. There, little coffee cup inside. Okay, now it's done. I really like how this card turned out. I was a little unsure at the beginning, but I hope that will encourage you, you know, if you feel like it's not going the way you wanted it to go, write it out, because you never know, it might turn out better than you expected. I want to thank my subscribers again for supporting me. This is an exciting, challenging journey that I have started, but I am really enjoying it. That is it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's get together again soon.